How to enable two-factor authentication in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your ID even stronger. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right top, you can see settings. Tap on settings. Here in your settings interface. Now here on the right top, you'll be able to see the option called account security. Tap on it. So here you'll be able to see the option called two-factor authentication. Now you must tap on turn on. Now in order to have two authentication, here you must enter a password. So here I'm entering a random password. Now tap on submit. So this will add a layer to the account and it will even be more stronger and even get a OTP code. So this is how you add authenticator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.